Hi friends, this video shows how to change Google TV pin. Let me go to switch accounts. Here you can see three accounts. Let me go to the account John. Then again go to switch accounts. Let me go to account Anna. See, this account or profile Anna has been locked. Let me select it. See, it's asking for the Google pin. I need to enter the Google pin to switch to this account Anna, but I don't know the pin. I am going to change the pin. Select forgot pin, then enter the password of this Google account, then submit. Here we can create new account, new pin. Let me enter new pin here. Let me enter the new pin 121313. Then again enter the same pin 1313. Done. See, pin created successfully. Let me test it. Again, let me switch account. Let me switch to John. Then again switch back to Anna. You can see right now Anna has been locked. See, it's asking for the Google pin. Let me enter the new pin 1313. See, it's working. So this way we can change Google TV pin. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.